Thank you for joining Bossupmixmedia. Hey Bossup crew, please subscribe, like, and don't forget to turn our notification on, where you are the boss of your creativity. Ladies and gentlemen, our first affirmation satisfying video of 2024. Today, I stand before you not as an individual, but as a representative of the boundless spirit that resides within each of us, spirit of creation. We are all artists, in one form or another. Our canvas is our existence, and our medium is the will to improve, to mold, and to transform. Let us talk about aspiration or aspiration. It is the silent wind beneath the wings of an eagle, the invisible force propelling us toward the sun, toward heights unseen and realms undreamt. Aspiration is not just a desire, it is our compass, our North Star, guiding us through the tumultuous seas of life. To aspire is to be alive in the truest sense, to acknowledge that we are works in progress, masterpieces yet to be finished. Each day, we paint our lives with decisions and actions, with strokes of courage, resilience, and hope. We are the artists of our existence. And every moment is an opportunity to create something beautiful, something meaningful. But what is beauty? What is meaning? In the hush of the early dawn, when the world is still asleep, and you stand before your canvas, be it a block of marble, a sheet of paper, or the quiet expanse of your own thoughts, remember, that beauty is the truth felt by the heart, and meaning is the truth recognized by the soul. In the pursuit of self-improvement, let us not be confined by the ordinary. Let us not be discouraged by the blankness of the canvas, nor should we be intimidated by the vastness of possibility. The art of becoming a better self is not about flawlessness, it is about authenticity, the courage to face our imperfections, and the relentless pursuit to refine our essence. Our journey towards self-improvement is not a solitary act, just as art is meant to be shared, to resonate with others. Our growth, too, is a symphony played in the orchestra of humanity. We inspire and are inspired. We teach and are taught. We uplift and are uplifted. In this interplay, we find a rhythm that propels us forward towards our aspiration. In the realm of art, every brushstroke matters. Every shade speaks volumes, and every texture tells a story. Likewise, in the art of self-improvement, every small effort counts, every positive thought resonates, and every act of kindness narrates the story of who we are becoming. The masterpiece we are striving to complete is the very life we lead. Remember, there is no finality in art, as there is no end to self-improvement. We are perpetually arriving, forever reaching, and eternally aspiring. The horizon is not a boundary, but a beckoning. The sky is not the limit, but an invitation. Our potential is a landscape vast and varied, and we are its explorers. And sculpt our will with the chisel of perseverance. Let us sketch our future with lines of passion, and color it with the hues of our dreams.